Hi guys, today we have with us Nihar. Nihar, we want to look at your journey, talk about your journey from CET 90 percentiles to Kellogg. So Kellogg में आप हो, I have worked in Pepsi Lays. तो मेरे टाइम पे तो मेरे को जो बेस्ट पार्ट वॉज थे फ्री में चिप्स जितने खाने खाओ. तो सॉरी, आपके यहाँ भी ऐसा हो रहा है कि फ्री में खाने पीने को मिलता है?
Not exactly. We do have something called as open breakfast. उसका concept है वहाँ पे ऑफिस में. So basically any cornflakes, muesli or chocos, that all you can have, and milk is there provided. So you can have that, but obviously not the Pringles chips and everything. Those are not there for the employees, like unlimited stuff. So yeah.
Company become more intelligent now.
Employees are smarter now. So yeah.
अरे हमारे टाइम लेके अबिंदा दो पैकेट 3 पे घर लेके जाओ, ये लेके पेप्सी जितनी भी नहीं पियो. So अभी they become more smart now. So they stop doing this thing. So great. So let's come back to the CET phase first, because अभी CET का result आया है and you got 90% in CET. So what was going in your mind at that time?
So when I gave my first attempt, I was actually in my final year of engineering. So at that time I was pretty new to the entire concept of this MBA, B schools वगैरह. I did not do much research, but I knew कि CET करके एक एग्ज़ाम है and रव सर के वीडियोस देखे थे मैंने. तो I at least thought कि attempt कर लेता हूँ and then we'll see what we'll do from there. So I gave the exam and got the result 90%, and then उस वक्त सर थोड़ा सा चुभा, बट नॉट दैट मच बिकॉज आई न्यू माई प्रिपरेशन वॉजेंट अप टू द मार्क. काफ़ी हेस्ट में आई गेव द एग्जाम एंड सिक्योर 90%. सो आई थॉट कि आई गिव अनदर अटेम्प्ट एंड इस बार अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके दूंगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज अगर बिना प्रिपेयर किए 90% आ सकता है, देन प्रिपेयर करके आई फील दैट आई एम दैट मच केपेबल कि और आ सकता है अच्छा.
Correct. So let me stop you here. So this is the typical thing. If you want to repeat again, जिसका CET में स्कोर कम आए दोबारा देना तो you to answer 2 questions. Number 1, can you do better than this? ठीक है, जो आपने बोला. Number 2, हिम्मत होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एक साल पूरा रुकना, बाकी एग्जाम भी देने, and then when you repeat it, you give other exams as well.
Yes.
ये मैं सबको बोलता हूँ यार, बैकअप दे के चलो. CAT, CMAT सब बैकअप में हाथ में लेके चलो.
Yes. Sure. So what I did was next attempt तक I did not waste my entire year. I took up a job उस वक्त, and with job I prepared for my entrance examinations including CET, and then I gave CAT, NMAT, all of those exams as well. So in the next attempt, fortunately I got 98 percentile in CET, but then again it was somewhere in the middle, because as you all know CET में 98 maybe you do not get any top college. Yeah. And my aim was that if I want to do my MBA, I am going to do from a well-reputed and a top college as well, top college itself. So then I gave CAT that year. I thought, okay, now let's move on from CET. We have that score, let it be. Now we'll move on to CAT. In that attempt, CAT में I got somewhere around 84. And then I applied for only a bunch of colleges who were actually accepting that particular cutoff. So fortunately I got through Goa Institute of Management's Big Data Analytics program, and after the 2-year long journey, now I'm here working at Kellogg's.
तो यार CET का यही प्रॉब्लम है यार. CET इज अ हार्ट ब्रेकर. तो जिसका हो गया ऑब्वियसली वो खुश है, वो तो, बट जिसका नहीं हुआ इट्स अ हार्ट ब्रेकर फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. सो बैकअप होना चाहिए. सो दोज आर गोइंग फॉर CET एग्जाम नेक्स्ट ईयर, ओनली CET के नाम पे रिपीट करना मेक नो सेंस. तो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन अदर एग्जाम एज वेल. तो बैकअप लेके चलो. सो ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर लाइफ एट गोवा. सो हाउ द लाइफ, गोवा मतलब पहले दिमाग में गोवा आता है. सो नंबर 1 यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, इट्स नॉट गोवा, इट्स गोवा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. द 2 सेपरेट थिंग्स.
So, contrary to the perception that is there amongst a lot of students, yes, you will be studying in Goa, but जो beaches वगैरह तुम imagine कर रहे हो, that's quite far away from the campus. The campus is actually situated in the Western Ghats on the Maharashtra border. So, yeah, I mean, and obviously the B school life is so, demanding and hectic. Every day you will not be able to, go and party. तो अगर वो सोच के you are coming to Goa Institute of Management, do not do that. But yes, if you have some time on maybe weekends वगैरह पे, अगर ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं रहा, you're done with your submissions and everything, then maybe once in a while you can obviously go and visit the beaches, which, that's something which we also did as students. So no denying that, obviously.
Right. When it comes to the curriculum point of view, your job journey into Kellogg's, now we're going to the phase 2 of your life. So what was you think the main USP which you got at the college? कि यार ये चीज़ मेरे को जो सबसे अच्छा लगा, जो अच्छा मिला, जिसकी वजह से my profile have changed, my personality, everything changed.
Sure. So talking about the curriculum, I was a part of the Big Data Analytics program, which is sort of a very recent program which Goa Institute of Management has come. It's a 5-year-old program. So in that, the USP of that program is it's not specific to analytics, it's not specific to management. It's an amalgamation of both. So basically, we are getting to learn the concepts of analytics, your data science, machine learning, deep learning, etc. But along with that, the emphasis is also laid on your soft skills, your leadership skills, as well as your managerial skills. So that is something that the program provides and the institute provides. That they came up with a vision that there is a need for such a program in the market right now, that it can create data-ready managers for the future. So that's the USP of the institute, I would say.
So all these kind of advantages are important. So you get a better chance at job.
Yes.
So then now you started working your back to Bombay, where you started. You are where you from, basically from. अभी office कहाँ पे आपका?
Office is in Powai.
Powai.
Yes.
So Dadar to Powai is not that far. You assume you stay still in Dadar. You live in Dadar.
Yeah.
Great. So how is now a journey towards this company? Do you feel that you are not from main IIMs, or you are from outsider? So how is that feeling?
So honestly, I would say I have never felt that way, that I'm not from main IIMs or something. Because of the opportunities I have been provided at Goa Institute of Management, and also because of the fact that I understood pretty early that your journey does not end once you get admission in a B school. Your journey actually starts. So there's a perception that अगर अच्छा college मिल गया तो now we are set for life. वैसा नहीं है. College के अंदर जाके भी you have to build your profiles in such a way that you can land you can be placement ready for some of the top companies that are coming on campus. So that is something that I also followed during my college. I focused a lot on the profile, building my CV, and hence reaping the benefits right now. So I never felt that I'm out of place, I'm not from main IIM. I'm pretty happy and satisfied at whatever level I've landed.
Correct. So IIM ka, the moment you say about IIM, so it's a brand which you get, no doubt about this. So that image is there. But when you compare with the new IIMs, आप IIM ABC से compare मत करो यार.
Yes.
But if you compare the new IIMs, I think every other college is equally good.
Yes,
let it be TAPMI or let it be Goa Institute of Management, IMI. So all of them are at same at par with that.
Yes, absolutely.
ठीक है. So great यार, and all the best for your at your
Thank you
job.
so much, sir.